This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. For this particular video, I have come up with a scenario where we have to use OTP, right? Especially when we do some registration, when we have to do some login, some authentication factors, whenever we are doing any transactions through maybe through some wallet or some credit card or debit card, OTP is coming, okay, either on email ID or maybe on SMS, through your SMS on your phone number. So the OTP is important. So how will you get to know that OTP, which OTP is coming? What is the value of that OTP? Because OTP is always dynamic in nature. It's not like same OTP we can use it. And this is a kind of blocking the blocking your testing, that okay, how can we get the OTP? So if OTP is coming in email ID, maybe through some email API we can do that. But OTP, let's see, it's coming on your phone number, especially with let's see in mobile based applications where OTP is coming on the phone number. In that case, how will you automate? Let's see if you're doing some transaction through Amazon Pay or through some Google Pay or maybe some Paytm or any kind of wallet. OTP is always coming on your phone number. Or let's say your banking transaction is happening, bank will always send one OTP number or 6-digit or 4-digit OTP number, okay, to your phone number. So how will you read the data? How will you read the data from SMS? Because as such we don't have anything, and Selenium cannot support that. So to automate that thing, I have I have found out one really good solution about that. So in the previous company, somewhere we were using some authentication point of view, and we were using some one application, that is third-party application, Twilio. So this is what I'm talking about actually. So I'll share this link, twilio.com. You just go to, okay, Twilio API. You open this Twilio REST API. So what exactly these guys they do? These guys say that okay, we will provide some APIs and you can create your own phone number. You can generate some fake number, or you can generate some some sample phone numbers, and you can use that phone number in your script, okay, for your test cases. And then we will, okay, obviously the application will send the data, will send the OTP number to that particular phone number. So from that particular phone number, SMS is coming, and we will give you some APIs to read the data from those SMS. So how to do that? So they have very good documentation is available. So what exactly I'm trying to say, guys, what exactly we will do in this particular process? So we will write a script over here. So let's see, this is my script. In this particular script, I'll write my Selenium code. Let's say I'll launch some website, let's say amazon.com. We will enter the username, we will enter the password, we will enter the phone number over here. And this particular phone number, how exactly we will get, we will not use our personal phone number. What exactly we will do on twilio.com, we will create one fake phone number or sample phone number just for your, uh, this is not a fake, this is not a right word, but this is just for your test automation point of view or testing point of view. And the same phone number, whatever the phone number is there, the same phone number we will enter over here. So what will happen the moment we click on submit, right? The OTP will be generated, and OTP will be given to this particular phone number, right? So OTP is available over here. And then once the OTP is there, then we will hit the API that which is provided by Twilio.com, and through the API, right? Through the some REST APIs are there. Through the API, we will get the OTP number over here in our script, right? So the moment we click on this continue button or submit button, it will ask you that okay, what is your OTP? So same OTP we will enter over here. So this is the thing, guys. We will do that. Now, what is this Twilio API? This Twilio API, they are paid API. They are not free, but you can create some free accounts as well for trial point of view, and it's very cheap. Hardly, I don't. It's less than $1 actually. You guys can pay for it. So what we need to do, we need to go to their, let's explore this Twilio.com, and first you need to sign up, right guys? So let me click on sign up, and I'll create my first name, last name, email ID, password. It's very simple. So let's see, I'm writing my sign up, Naveen test automation, email ID I'm giving, let's see, I have already created one email ID. So let's see, this time I'm using this Naveen animation20 at gmail.com, so that the user registration, we will do it on this particular email ID. So you guys also follow the same thing. And the password, let's see, I'm giving some password over here as well. And you accept the license agreement and okay, and start your free trial. Let me save the password over here. Okay, so once this is done, this guy will say that, okay, hey, verify your email ID. So I'll quickly go to my email ID. This is a new email ID, guys, I have created, and you can see that verify your email ID, and we will confirm the email ID. So I quickly confirm the email ID, and the moment I confirm, confirmation will happen, right? And then it will ask you your original phone number. So you just need to that, okay, you are the right person. So you just write your own phone number over here. So you can write any random phone number. So what I'll do, I'll quickly write my phone number over here. So just a second, I'll do one thing.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so guys, I stopped the recording just because of my phone number was visible. So anyway, so once you enter your original phone number, and it will send you one authentication code or OTP number to your phone number. But I'm not bothered about that OTP. This is just for your registration on twilio.com. So once this is done, then you can simply, it will ask you a couple of questions that, okay, hey, do you write any code or something? But yes, I write the code. On which language? What's the preferred language? Java. And use Twilio as a student or hackathon project, or explore Twilio. So I just want to explore Twilio. And what do you want to do first? So let's see, send or receive SMS. I'll just, so this is a basic thing I really want to do. And once this is done, what will happen, guys? So it will give you a trial version. So and the trial balance also, it will give you around $15. You can use this $15, and some trial version will be there up to, let's see, for 14 days or something like this. So it will give you two important things. What is your account SID? Can you see that account SID? Let me zoom in. And then this is your authentication token also. You click on show, it will give you authentication token. Now you can create a trial number. You can create your own number. So let's see, I want to create a trial number. Let's click on get a trial number. And this is the trial number, guys, you will get it. 33437344019. Now this is your Twilio phone number, your first Twilio phone number. If you don't like this, you can search for another number also. And like this, what exactly you can do? You can do a voice, SMS, and MMS. You can incoming call and outgoing call also, you can do it. And 33437344019 is the new number. And the same number I'll be using in my test script for my scenario. Right, so let's see, I'll prefer this number. Click on this number, choose this number, and now this number will be confirmed. So your new phone number is this, done. And what exactly it will do? It will say that, okay, yes, this is the number that I have, this is my number, and this is my balance. So for every SMS, it takes around 0.1 cent, okay, which is quite less than. So you guys can use it, and then we can, okay, we can write our test cases with this particular trial number. So I'll tell you what exactly other things are there. And if you go to their docs, so you just click on API docs, right click on it and open a new tab. And they have given a lot of API documentation also, that what kind of, for let's see, for SMS API, you just click on it and Twilio messaging APIs are available. So if you are interested, you can look into their, APIs as well. In which language? Let's say I'll prefer Java language. So I'll go to Java, and it will give you some, see, can you see that some sample examples also, some sample code also it will generate. So what exactly I have done, I did one POC and it's quite working fine. And then I have taken some such kind of examples from their website, and these code I have taken and then I have implemented in my own code, and then I'm using it, and then it's absolutely working fine. In fact, you can see the right hand side, it supports PHP, .NET, Java also it supports, Python also it supports, and complete API overview these guys have given. Ruby, JavaScript also these guys have created. So all the APIs documentation is written properly over here, guys, with different languages, right? So we don't need to cover each and everything over here. We just need to cover what kind of APIs we can use, what kind of read the messages or create the messages. See, you can create the messages. This is your two number, okay, and this is your phone number, and what kind of message you want to send. Let's say I want to send where is Wallace, or some number I want to, okay, or some message I want to. So this is my message, and this is my two number, and this is my from number. So like this also you can do that, and you can actually read the messages also. You can read the SMS also, and from their SMS you can read the OTP number, and then you guys can complete it, the scenario. So let's do it. So what exactly I have picked this particular Amazon.in. So what exactly we will do, we will go to Amazon.in, and you go to this particular page. Let's see, hello, sign in, and click on start here. And here guys, you know that this number is there. Can you see that? Your name, let's see, I'm writing, my name is Naveen test, and my number, that this guy has created a number for USA, and USA code is +1. So I'll go to United States +1, and what is the number that I have? Okay, I'll write that particular number, whatever the number, okay, this particular on Twilio.com we have generated. So I think we have generated this particular number. So the same number I'll be using over here, okay. And then what exactly I'll do, that you don't need to write the email ID. I'll create some password on Amazon. Let's see, I'm writing some password, and then I click on continue, okay. And the moment I click on continue, it is asking for what is your OTP, right? Now this is a scenario we always blocked. What is my OTP number? Now the OTP number is coming, what is the number that we have given. Now see, I'll show you the thing. Okay, you go to your account, whatever the account on Twilio.com that we have created, you go to uses. Okay guys, you go to this particular tab, uses, and on uses, it will give you, this is my first Twilio project. You go over there, and then you just see that some programmable SMS. I got one SMS. Inbound means incoming SMS. Outbound means the SMS we are sending from this particular number. And inbound means, yes, we got some SMS. You click on it, and you can see SMS inbound, and there we will should see that particular message somewhere. Let me show you. Let me once again, let me go back. We should get an SMS on this number. Let me check phone number. Phone number is this, local phone number. Somewhere we should get the SMS. Okay, 1 second. Let me check it again. Okay, maybe the OTP has been triggered or not. Let me check it once again. Just a second. It takes some time to get the OTP, guys. So let's go to uses once again. Okay, so it's saying that phone number you have created, programmable SMS also it's there, inbound SMS, and standard inbound SMS. What exactly this guy is saying? Okay, so yeah, you can see that one this got created from, we have got one message from this particular number, and this is Amazon number, and to this particular number, and this is our number, and one segment means one message is there, and you click on it, and here you will see the details. Can you see that this is my password, this is my OTP, is your Amazon OTP. OTP is confidential. For security reasons, do not share this OTP with anyone. And now I'll end same OTP. You guys can use it over here, okay, like this, and then create your own Amazon account. You can get to it. The question here is, how will you read this particular OTP from this particular, from Twilio.com? How will you read the SMS? This particular, so this is called a method SMS body, right guys? So, and this is the message details are available. These are the messages, message details are available, from which number it's message is coming, and this is the number. So this number is from Amazon, and this is my own number that I've created through Twilio. So obviously I'm not coming through Selenium over here and read this particular through Selenium XPath or something. No, Twilio.com, it will give you some messaging APIs, and then through those APIs we will read this particular body, and from the body we will capture this particular entire string, and from this particular string we will capture this number, and then we will end up over there. Right? Clear? So let's do it. How exactly we will do it in programming. So I have already created one project, OTP handles. This is the Maven project, and I have already added my Selenium library as well as Gracia WebDriver library, WebDriver Manager library. And to use the Twilio API, guys, what we have to do, we have to use a Twilio dependency also we have to add. So these guys will tell you where exactly the Twilio dependency. So here you can see that this is the Twilio dependency. It's available on their documentation. We just copy this, okay, the pom.xml file dependency, and you just need to save it. So the latest version of is this 7.42.0. You can in fact find it on Maven also, the Twilio.sdk. And if you are using Gradle, you can use this particular Gradle dependency also if you are using Gradle project. Okay. So once this is done, then I'll close my pom.xml file. I'll quickly create under src main Java. I'll quickly create one package. Let's see, my package name is my util package. And under this particular util package, what exactly I'm gonna do? I'm gonna create a class, and let's see, I create OTP handle. Okay, I'll write something like this: Amazon OTP handle. Select the main method and click on finish. So inside the main method, we will write our code, and the basic code, guys, I have already written. So first, what exactly we have to do? First, okay, you need two things over here. The first thing is you need to go to your account. So I'll just come back. Okay, go back to your account on twilio.com. Okay, and you go to your dashboard. On from your dashboard, you need two things. This is your account SID. Okay, guys, and authentication token. So these two strings you needed. Okay, so quickly what I'll do at the class level, I'll create public static final string. Let's say this is my account underscore SID is equal to this, right? And then I'll create one more string variable that is for authentication token. So that is my auth token is equal to, this is my authentication token. So you guys can create the account, and on the basis of that, if this guy will give you your own SID or your own authentication token. So you just copy paste your token over here, right? And once these things are done, what you need to do, guys, the first thing you need to write, we have to write the Selenium code first, right? So how to write it? So before writing the Selenium code, okay, let's write Selenium code first. So what we need to do, we need to write WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. So I'll write, let's see, I'll quickly write WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, import these two things, and then I'll be using Gracia. So WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. Okay, and then driver dot get method, and then we will launch amazon.in. So https://www.amazon.in. right? Let's see this guy is working or not till here. So quickly I'll check. I'm not using Twilio right now. Oops, okay. So maybe some problem with this Gracia. I'll do one thing. Let me delete this. I'll set up the path directly. So the path I have already copy paste somewhere in my notepad file. Let me copy paste things over here. Okay, so this is the basic thing: launching the Google Chrome, setting the Google Chrome driver.exe file path, and then finally amazon.in. Then I'll be using, let's see, I'll be using for time being, let's use driver.manage.timeout. Implicitly wait for, let's say I'm giving 30 seconds. Time unit.seconds. Okay, so let's see, this is my driver got initialized with this particular implicitly wait timeout. And then what we have to do, so first we will go to amazon.in. So let me close this. We will go to amazon.in. So the first scenario is that we have to click on it, and we have to click on start here. So we have to click on this, okay, whatever this element is there. So let me quickly, so this code, guys, I have already written, so let's not waste our time. So I'll tell you what exactly I'm doing over here. right? So unnecessarily the Selenium code, we can save our time. So let's see, this is the code I've already written somewhere because I was doing some POC. So this code is already written. See, this is the code. So I quickly explain you. So this guy is clicking on this accounts and this, right? So you just click on it and it will click on start here, right? Can you see that start here? And when you click on start here, it will come over here on this particular page. So this page is important to me because here we have to enter the mobile number, right? And the name and the password. Same thing I'm doing over here. See, I'm clicking on start here. And then finally I'm entering, let's see, this is my customer name. So this is your name. If you inspect this guy, I'm using the same ID over here. You can see that app customer name. I'm using the same thing. App customer name dot send keys. Let's see, I'm writing Naveen test OTP is my customer name or my name. Then we have to select what? It's a USA number, so we have to select this guy. So the USA, United States of America +1 we have to select, right? Because we have generated the number with USA, right? So for that, what exactly I have done, first you have to click on it. So you have to click on it, and then from this particular entire list, what exactly I have done, I have created the XPath directly for United States. So this is the XPath. You can see that UL role application. So you can quickly, I'll show you how exactly I created the XPath. Let's see, let me create the XPath for this guy, United States, and you can see that all the LIs, there are 223 countries are there in this particular drop down. You can see everything is coming under this particular UL, right? And the role is application. So I'll do one thing, I'll quickly create role equal to application with UL. So I create my XPath UL, right guys, at the rate role is equal to, right? And under that particular, there are number of list elements are available. So I'll do one thing. How many lists? 223 lists are there. And from 223 list, if you open a specific list, we have to go to A. It means you go to A, and under that A, you give me, okay, the country name is United States of America. So let's see, this is the guy, United States +1. So I copy this and you A, and then where the text is equal to this. So it is actually pointing to this guy directly, United States. So this is the XPath, you guys can use it, and the same XPath I have used over here. You can see that, right? And then simply dot click. So it will click on United States of America, the +1, right? So it will click on this particular +1, and then I have to enter the mobile number. The mobile number is whatever the number that you have generated, right? So what is the number that we have generated? Because the OTP will be sent to this number. So my number is this. So you ignore +1. +1 is the country code. So the actual number is 334, like this. So this is my number, right? And what is the password you want to enter? My password is SC_test_automation@123 over here. This is the email ID I'm not entering because this is optional. This is the password 123, and click on continue button. So it will click on this particular continue button, right? So after that, the moment it clicks on continue button, let's say I'm writing some name over here, mobile number, something like this. Okay, and the moment you click on continue, let's name some writing, and the password I'm writing something like this, saying something. Okay, it's valid mobile number. And write some 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Okay, now it will ask you for your OTP numbers. Now, how will you get the OTP? Now we have to use, guys, Twilio API. So till here, this is fine. It will click on continue button, right? And then get the OTP, okay, using Twilio APIs. So to get the OTP, guys, what exactly I have found two important methods from their particular site. So these two important methods, I'll give it to you. We don't need to learn. If you really want to use, you can use it. So these are the two generic methods. Actually, I have somewhere modified and then used it. So let's see, this is the first method is this get message, and get message is internally calling get messages. over here. So let me import one by one, and all these things are coming from Twilio. So you can import this Twilio, and let me, okay, it's using Java 1.8, and we make sure that okay, we are using JRE 1.8 because we are using stream and lambda expression. So we are not bothered about all these things. So, and this is the number. Which number? This is a number. But here, guys, you have to give +1. Okay, +1 and the number like this. So what exactly it will do? It will go to that particular Twilio APIs, to that particular account with this number. It will get the body, and from the body, whatever the first OTP is there, right, guys? Whatever the first OTP number is there, it will capture and it will return a string. Okay, it will give you a string. So what we need to do, we just need to call this particular method over here. So how will you call this method? The get message, right? So let's make it static so that we can call it directly. Okay, so I'll call this particular get message over here. Okay, get message, and this particular get message what exactly it will do, it will give you one string, and let's see, string SMS body is equal to this. So whatever the SMS body is there, it will give it to you, and I will print it on the console that SMS body. Let's see, whatever the SMS body, right, guys, is whatever the SMS body is coming to this particular number, because we have already filled the form and we have already clicked on continue, right? It means by the time Amazon has sent the SMS, right, in the form of OTP. So let's see it is working or not. So we should get the whatever the SMS is coming, okay, from the Amazon, and we will see that the OTP is there or not. So let's run it as Java application and let's see. So see, it is launching amazon.com. You can see that yes, somewhere, oops, authentication failed, account SID please call. Yeah, see, don't think we have missed. What we have to do, we have to use before calling, we have to use Twilio dot one method is there, guys, init method is there, and here we have to pass your authentication SID, account SID, and authentication token. Okay, because obviously otherwise it will not authorize. So this SID and authentication token, you will get it from your dashboard. Okay, so this is the first method, guys, you have to use it. That's why it's giving you an error. You can see that please call Twilio init method. Right, now let's run it again. So let's run it again and let's see. Hopefully it should work fine. The page is still loading. Okay. Okay, so once the page is fully loaded, then only it will click on. Let me do it again. Okay, let's terminate it. Let's run it again. Some problem with Amazon. Okay, now it's clicking on it, entering the OTP, entering the phone number. And by the time you can see that OTP has been sent and we have already got the OTP over here. Can you see that? What do you think about it? Till here, guys, if you like this particular concept, please put a comment right away. Okay, pause the video, stop the video right away, and then put a comment. Did you like this solution or not? See, this is so amazingly good. We got our OTP now. This is the exact message we get it, right? This is your Amazon OTP. OTP is confidential for security reason. No, do not share this OTP with anyone. And we can check the same message with this same OTP on their dashboard also. So you will go to their dashboard. Our dashboard is this. We will go to the users, right? And quickly we will go to, this is the project, programmable SMS. Go to SMS. Inbound SMS, standard inbound SMS, two SMSs are there, which is costing us around 15 cents. So that's not an issue. You scroll down and you can see that 15.5, you can see that we have got one SMS, same SMS. Can you see that 693766 is the OTP number? You can see in my console also 693766 is the exact same message, guys, we are getting. So this website is not creating, Twilio is not creating any message. Message is coming from Amazon, right? Then whenever we do registration on Amazon, we get this message, right? Same thing, you can do the same message from Paytm, for Swiggy, or for any other account, or Amazon, or Walmart, or any other wallet, or your credit card, debit card. SMS is coming over here. We just need to give your the correct Twilio registered phone number. That's it. See, and now I got this particular string, and now that is so simple that I have to get the SMS. I have to get the OTP from this particular SMS body. So I'll be using some tricks over here. What kind of trick I can use? I simply quick, let's see, I can use, there are a lot of options. I can use some string allocations, or I can use some regular expression also. So I'll do one thing, I'll be using some regular expression. So let's see this SMS body dot, I simple do one thing, replace all method I'll be using. And then you can replace all, that is my regular expression that this is for, I'll be using not, which is not coming under question mark 0 to 9, and like this, and then replacement will happen with this, okay, with one space, right? So I'm just trying to capture the SMS, and I'll create one new string over here. That is my OTP number is equal to this, right? And I'll do one thing. Let me check what kind of OTP we are getting. Are we getting the correct OTP number from that particular string? So I'll run it again, and let's see what is the OTP number. So from that string, I just want to capture the OTP number. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, because we can use proper weights over there, but I don't want to waste my time on this thing. Let me run it again. Selenium script later on we can improve, right? That is not important as of now. Yeah. Oops. Once again, it's coming on this page. 1 second, guys. Yeah, now it's coming. So let's see. Yeah, now the new OTP is this. So we got the OTP. Can you see that? 600114, and this is what we want, right? This is what we want. So I just capture this. This is my string OTP. Now what I want. That's so simple. I go back to this guy, and here I inspect this guy, and I'll be using this particular ID, right? And then driver dot find element by dot ID is this, and dot send keys. And what is the send keys? The OTP number that we have got. Same string I'll be passing over there, right? Now let's run it. Let's see. Sorry, once again, this Amazon sometimes behaves awkwardly. Yeah. Okay, so it sent the OTP. Make sure we are getting, yes, 600114, right? And we should be able to see that. Is that? Okay, once again, where is that? Yeah, can you see that? It actually entered 600114. Right, so let's run it again. I'll show you once again. So there are let's run it again. Okay, so once we get, see, now this time we got 989269. Boom, 989269, the exact same OTP I'm getting, guys, over here as well as over here, right? And then that's it. create your Amazon account. Your account should be created, right? So let me do it manually. You just click on create your Amazon account. My account got created. Now see, now I have logged in with this guy. Naveen, see, this is my account now. Can you see that? My name is there, Naveen Test Automation. What do you think about this video? Right, this concept, it's really, really cool, guys, I'm telling you. And this is a free trial version. You guys can practice. Once your trial version is expired, you can generate a new number once again. Or it's so low budget that on their dashboard or maybe on their documentation, I have read somewhere that it's very less. See, we have already trial balance is this. I think there is no limitation for the number of days, I guess. So for every SMS, they are charging around 0.1 cent. That's it. So initially the balance was around $15. Now the balance is still, I have my balance of 14.47 like this. Okay, and then you can upgrade the project also. You can pay some amount, I think $1 or $2 per month somewhere, and you can submit the bill in your company. That's so low budget. In Indian rupees, it's around just 70 bucks, 70 rupees. That's it, right? It's quite cheap. So you guys can use it, and then simply now it's so easy to automate, and it works like a charm, guys. You can see that, right? So easily you can automate OTPs. So no need to give your original number. You just simply create one number, sample number or a trial number. See, that's why this is called a trial number. Trial number you created over here. Whatever the number you want to create, and then use the same number in your script. Make sure you're using your own account SID and authentication token. Same thing, you guys can do it in your company. And these two messages are available on their particular site. To read the messages I have already created. All right, and then this number you just need to pass. That's it, right, guys? But make sure you are not writing +1 over here while writing the phone number in Amazon.com, because Amazon.com +1 is already selected. The USA +1 is already selected over here. You just need to enter it. Amazon will send the OTP, and then that's it. Now you can apply the same formula in some other application. That's it. This is so amazingly good. Right, guys? So that's all for today. I'll send you this Twilio link. You guys can practice, you can apply, and you can give this particular solution and upload this particular project in my Git repository as well. I'll share the link in my in the video description. And if you really like this video and really like this approach, please share with others, okay, everywhere, and share with your friends and colleagues so that they will also can get the benefit of out of this. Right, guys? So if you really like this video, please put a comment over here. And if you have any other approach to automate OTPs, then please suggest. Maybe I can also learn something new for this. Okay, so how exactly I got this solution? This solution, I got it from my previous company. One guy was there, and that guy, he was using for their own development. He was a backend developer guy. So he was using Twilio API, something like this, for their backend generation OTPs. They were using some OTP generator APIs. So he suggested me that, okay, why don't you do this? So I just explored, and then I found it, okay, yes, this is something really cool. I can also use in my framework as well. So this is something really good, guys. You guys can implement in your framework, in your company. And then, yes, now there is no hurdle for OTP. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And please subscribe to the channel. And very soon we will be reaching 100,000 subscribers very soon. And then thanks for your love and support. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.